everyone! Today we are going to show you how to deposit a check in mobile banking. For those that are new to remote deposit, this feature allows you to deposit checks easily 24/7 at your convenience from a mobile device. First, you will need to log into your mobile banking app. Once you're logged in, you will see a list of your accounts. Click on the three bars in the upper left corner to get to the main menu. Once you click on Remote Deposit from the main menu, you will need to choose which account you want to deposit to and the amount. You will then need to take a picture of the front and back of the check. Your picture of the check will need to fit within the edges so it can be processed correctly. When you're ready to take a picture, click on the camera symbol. Make sure you write LAFCU Mobile Deposit Only under your signature on the back of the check. The picture of the front and back of the check should show on the remote deposit picture snapshots. Once done, click Submit and your deposit will be processed. Keep in mind that funds may not be immediately available. Thank you for joining us.